Konnichiwa friends, my name is Aisman Samasi and today we are going to see a new course named Intro to Deep Learning and Gen AI. Okay, so as you know, this is one of the optional subject during the BS diploma level. Okay, so in the data science of the BS diploma level, you have two options. First is the analytics option, which is taking business analytics and the BDM project, and second is the deep learning one, which is taking the Gen AI and the Gen AI project. Okay, so this course lies in the second one of the deep learning Gen AI and Gen AI project. Okay, so you may be asking, but why choose this course instead of the business analytics? Okay, so here first point is that you want to work on cutting edge technology. Okay, so like as you know, this is the era of Gen AI and deep learning. So if you want to work on the modern Gen AI projects, etc., this course is for you. Second one is our favorite, which is basically high demand and salary potential. Okay, so as you know, if you like search on the Google and find what is the median salary of both data analyst and the Gen AI one, you will find that the median salary for entry level is 3.5 lakhs per annum, while for Gen AI it's like 15 lakhs per annum. Okay, so you could really see the difference between the two courses here. Okay, so generally speaking, Gen AI project engineers and deep learning engineers earn 3 times more than business analytics one. Okay, third is that you enjoy building models, not just analyze data. Okay, business analytics is all about analyzing data and making decisions, while the deep learning and Gen AI is all about making models and understanding how those model works. Third is that it's very future proof career path. Okay, so as you know that AI is been replacing job since 2023. Okay, but here in deep learning and Gen AI, it's very difficult to automate tasks. Okay, even the business analytics one, the AI can easily replace, but here in deep learning and Gen AI, it's very hard to replace, and even better, you are making only that technology that is replacing the job market. Okay, so in my sense, this is one of the best alternative of business analytics. Okay, and I recommend to everyone. Now this second thing is about the drawback of this course. As you know that everything have an drawback. Okay, so for this course, the first drawback is that since this is a very new course, so there is no big PYQs, mocks or quiz solutions. Okay, for business analytics, it's like 2 year 2 year old course. So like you could find many videos explaining business analytics, PYQs, mocks and quiz solutions. Okay, but since DL and Gen AI is a new course, it's very difficult to find PYQ solutions, etc. Okay. Second thing is that although the salary is more, but Indian job demand is very less. Okay, since India we are not that advanced in science and technology, so here job demand is very less, so you will better be working in China, Singapore, or Germany, etc. Okay, so this you couldn't consider a drawback, but it's basically your ticket to foreign jobs. Okay, third is that it's slightly harder than B. Okay, it's not that much hard, but it's slightly harder than B. Okay. So with this, our drawback and advantage of this course is complete. Now, my promise, my 2026 first promise is that since this is a very new course, but I promise to support you fully in this course. Okay, both GN, both GNAI and GNI project one. Okay, our focus is to get you A plus in both the course and the project. Okay, or to basically do your best in your term. Okay, so my promise is to implement this course by 30th March 2026. Now about navigating our journey. Okay, navigating our journey. So here basically the goal. Okay, the primary goal of this course is to introduce on how computers learn images, text, and how they generate images and how the transformer works. Okay, so the whole agenda of this course to basically help to understand how computer learns images and text, next how it generates images, and fourth is how to and how does transformer works. Okay, so this is the whole agenda. So coming back to the week wise distinction, in first 2 weeks you will learn about how what is neural network and how does it work. Okay, so here in first 2 weeks is basically about basics on how, why, and what to use in the neural network. Okay, in week one we will learn about artificial neural network, the theory behind it, the artificial neurons, the layers, the activation function, and the loss functions. Okay, so week one is all about basic. Week two is all about practicals and experiments. Okay, in week two we will just see about how we make neural network in PyTorch and how to optimize it. Okay, in week three it's week three and week four is all about computer vision. Okay, so in these 2 weeks, we will basically see on how computers see and learn image data. Okay, and it's also the NPP one syllabus. Okay, so these 2 weeks is very important in terms of quiz and NPP. Okay, in week three we will learn about the convoluted neural network and their architecture, the convolution and the pooling layers. Okay, and week four we will learn about modeling, CNN, and practicals and experimentation. Okay, so week 3 and week 4 is done. Next come week 5 optimization. Okay, this week is all about optimization, gradient descent, acceleration, and accelerated gradient descent. Okay, so basically in this week we will learn how to optimize our deep learning model. In week 6 we will learn about generating images. Okay, so this week is all about generative models, their latent space, and how to use GANs to make to generate images like our ChatGPT, DALI, or like Leonardo. Okay, so I assume you may have used the ChatGPT, DALI, or the Leonardo. Okay, and Here you will learn how to generate images using that manner. Okay, week 7 and week 8 is all about how those artificial neural network remembers past data. Okay, which like machine learning models can't. Okay, so this week we will learn about how models like ChatGPT memorize your past experience, your past emotions, etc. Okay, so week 7 is all about modeling sequential data like LSTMs grew by LSTM by grew. Okay, it's all about RNN. Week 8 is all about the practical hands-on. Okay, and also this sentimental analysis with LSTM. Okay, so these 2 weeks is all about how deep learning models actually memorize the data. Now coming back to the week 9 and week 10 and week 11. Okay, so this final week is all about how model could understand the context meaning. Okay, so here in week 9 we will talk about the tokenization, the transformer architecture, and also the attention mechanism. Okay, so basically how an transformer model use attention to understand the context of the text. Okay, week 10 is all about transformers, the path of the transformer, the original transformer, and the transformer to large language models. Okay, and week 11 is all about vision transformer, generating images, diffusion models, etc. Okay, so we could tell that week 9 to week 11 is all about Gen AI. Okay, and in week and week 1 to week 8 basically the deep learning part ends, and week 9 to week 12 Gen AI part starts. Okay, and here in first 3 weeks we will basically talk about how those transformer works, how model could understand context meaning, and how we could use train model to do our work. And here in week 12 is all about fine tuning a model. So here the instructor now proceed with telling about GPT, the large language model, and how we use prompting techniques to fine tune models and etc. Okay, so so this is all about navigating the journey. Okay, of week wise, excluding the week wise course, and also we have like two quizzes here. We also have two NPPs. Okay, so NPP is basically programming exam done on Kaggle without video. Okay, so basically NPP, you are given a problem statement, and within 3 to 7 days you have to make an artificial neural network that solves a problem. Okay, and you have to also submit an project report for it. It's it's also, yes, there will be two NPPs where the first will be about image classification, which is basically week 3 and 4, and NPP 2, which is basically sequential modeling, which would be week uh, 7 to 8. Okay, 7 to 8. Then we also have our Gen AI project, which is basically rely on week 7 to week 11. Okay, it is basically about making an RNN model using LSTM or GRU, plus also the transformer to solve a problem. Its duration is 2 months, and we will be talking about project in our GNI project video. Okay, for now, meet you in week 1. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I once again welcome you to modern GenAI technology. Okay, a technology that powers the modern AI revolution around us. Thank you for choosing the intro to DL and GenAI course, and I will see you in week 1. Thank you.